My first video ever, trying to help some people out. I've got a 2011 VW Touareg. This little gear, nylon gear, comes out of the boot latch and it breaks. I attempted a repair by putting the shaft inside to give it some strength, but it only lasted a day. So they want you can't buy this. You have to buy a new boot latch for 5,000 Rand, or I guess that's about $400. $350, $400 probably. So my brother, the legend, via Skype and WhatsApp, after I gave him the dimensions of the original, he put it into some software and 3D printed it. He 3D printed a range of them. Sorry about the lighting, but different quality filament, and it was near perfect on first attempt, the grey one, but the gears shrunk a little bit. They lost about 0.5 mm in diameter, and it would sort of jump out of gear and not release. Anyway, the white ones are the new ones. They've been made a little bit wider. You just got to sand them because it's a little bit rough. You just sand them down smooth, and the working part I will demonstrate to you right now. Oh jeez, sorry about that. There it goes, and release, and release. So the other one, the first one, wasn't releasing because the gears would bind, but this one's perfect. And that repair cost about $1 plus some shipping, but about $1 as opposed to $300 for a new latch. So don't pay the $300. Find a friend with a 3D printer. Cheers guys.